Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're an Uber driver, a rideshare pro, or just someone who wants the best dashcam for 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're comparing 4 top-rated dashcams. The WOLFBOX G840S, the GKU D600, the PRUVEEO 360° 4-channel dashcam, and the VanTrue N4. We'll talk about features like 4K resolution, night vision, parking mode, Wi-Fi app control, and more. Because this video could help protect your car and your business. Why you need a dashcam in 2025. Before we dive into the reviews, let's talk about why a dashcam is more important than ever. Whether you're driving in extreme heat, cold, or just dealing with reckless drivers, having a reliable car camera system can be a lifesaver. Modern dashcams come with GPS tracking, loop recording, G sensors, and even 24-hour parking surveillance. And with Wi-Fi and app support, you can view footage directly from your phone whether you're on iPhone or Android. So now, let's see which of these top dashcams for Uber, Lyft, and everyday drivers stands out. Review number 1. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dashcam. First up, the WOLFBOX G840S, a smart rear-view mirror dashcam that doubles as your main mirror. It has a 12-inch 4K display, dual front and rear cameras, night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and comes with a 32 GB South Dakota card. It's great for cars and trucks, especially if you want a clean setup without extra boxes. The parking assistance and mirror interface are super helpful. However, it might not be the easiest to install for beginners, but once it's up, it works flawlessly. Perfect for those asking, is a mirror dashcam worth it in 2025? The answer is yes if you get the G840S. Review number 2. GKU D600 Dual Dashcam. Next is the GKU D600, a dual dashcam that records front and rear in 4K plus 1080p. It comes with a 64 GB South Dakota card, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, app control, and has features like loop recording, WDR, and G sensor. The wide-angle lens, 170 degrees, gives you excellent coverage, and the night vision is surprisingly good for its price range. This is a solid budget dashcam 2025 option, especially for daily commuters or small fleet owners. One thing to note, it doesn't have inside cabin coverage, so it's not ideal for Uber Lyft drivers needing passenger monitoring. Review number 3. PRUVEEO 360° 4-channel dashcam. Now let's talk about the PRUVEEO 360° 4-channel dashcam, a full 360-degree view system that records front, rear, left, and right simultaneously. It also comes with GPS, Wi-Fi, night vision, and a free 128 GB South Dakota card, so you're ready to roll out of the box. This one is perfect for trucks, vans, and commercial vehicles where visibility matters most. The 24/7 recording and parking mode monitor is rock solid, and it works well in both day and night. Downside? It's a bit more complex to install, and the app isn't as smooth as some others. Still, if you're looking for maximum security and coverage, this is the way to go. Review number 4. VanTrue N4 Triple Dashcam. Last but not least, the VanTrue N4, a 3-channel dashcam that records front, inside, and rear all in high resolution. It supports 4K plus 1080p or 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, making it ideal for Uber and Lyft drivers. It has IR night vision, a capacitor design, so no battery swelling, and supports up to 256 GB South Dakota cards. The Wi-Fi app works smoothly, and the 24-hour parking mode is reliable with the right hardwiring. It's a bit pricey compared to others, but if you're serious about safety and clarity, this is the best car camera with inside coverage. Final verdict and recommendations. So who wins the battle of the dashcams? For easy-to-use mirror dashcam, WOLFBOX G840S. For best budget dashcam 2025, GKU D600. For full 360-degree view, PRUVEEO 360°. For Uber Lyft drivers needing inside coverage Vantru N4. All 4 are top-rated dashcams of 2025, and each shines in different use cases. No matter what kind of driver you are, there's a perfect dashcam for you. Call to action plus next video promo. Thanks for watching today's dashcam review. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews, installation guides, and dashcam comparisons. Drop a comment below which dashcam do you own or plan to buy. Also, check out our next video right here on how to install a 3-channel dashcam. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Until then, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.